Hey everyone, I am back and I was sent these bundles and closure, and I am going to turn it into a glueless closure wig. As you can see, the hair is from Beauty Forever Hair, so let's get into it. So her head measurements were 22-inch circumference and 13.5 inches front to nape. So I always lay my closure or frontal down first, just to see what I'm working with as far as space is concerned. Please excuse my son in the background because, he chooses right now, to start making noise. So I go in with white eyeliner pencil. You can use a metallic Sharpie. That works too, but I don't know. This works better because it's easier to wash off. So I am laying each line about 1 inch apart, and then we're gonna run it through our sewing machine. Yay! So I'm used to having like very, very thick wigs. I think it was only like 2 bundles in a closure. I'm not sure, they were cut up, but I wanted to make sure I had enough hair to distribute throughout the whole wig. So for the first 2 lines, I did single wefting. The next 2 I did double wefting. The next 3 I did single and alternated single, double, single.
Bitches tryna play me, bitches tryna date me, tryna have my baby. I can't have that shit, no. I got paper that I'm chasing. I've been stacking daily, I've been elevated, tryna do better in my life. I got bitches tryna play me.
Once I was done, as you can see, beautifully stitched, beautiful. So we're gonna cut out that center. So I made sure to stitch in an elastic band for extra added security. Now I'm just molding it with the Dew. This is my first time using it. So yeah, if you guys would like to see part 2, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.